Okay, Mr. Happy Zap here. Early Saturday morning, July something. Last 2 days, we were able to get the sill plate on, sill gasket, tieback, as you can see here, and the sill plate, as you can see here. And we were able to get the majority of the floor joists in place, and a few more to put up yet. In this area here, rained last night, not too much, but a little bit of water in the basement, no big deal. So there's still placement of a few more floor joists to put in here. Have to go through and make sure everything is, once they're nailed down, make sure they're level, and use a 2x4 to do so. Screw a 2x4 in, then once they're all level, apply the rim plate along. Still have some joist to put in here because the stairwell goes over there. Have to make sure that the LVLs were straight as you can get them, and then the plan shows this one beside it. But also, as you can see in the center there, there's a board going across which nailed in place, keeps the joist from swinging back and forth in the middle. Okay, so it's coming along pretty good. Once again, takes a little bit of time, a little bit of planning, but everything is coming together. So the next update I'll be doing, we'll have the rim board on and the floor sheathing down. So until then, everyone keep a cool tool. And so far it's been fun. It's been fun. Okay, bye for now.